orange color, brown color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color, green color, pink color, red color, blue color. Kids, today let's learn alphabet. Green color, A. This is letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Light pink color, B. This is letter B. B for banana. B for banana. Sky blue color, C. This is letter C. C for candy. C for candy. Yellow color, 1. This is number 1. O-N-E 1. Orange color, 2. This is number 2. T-W-O 2. Brown color, 3. This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for candy. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3.